Welcome to our video, where I will show you the benefits of oregano oil. Let's get into it, shall we? Oregano oil is a product made from the oregano plant, Origanum vulgare. It contains a higher concentration of the helpful compounds that occur naturally in the plant. This oil is available to use orally, unlike oregano essential oil, which is much more concentrated and used in aromatherapy. People should not take essential oils by mouth. Whether a person applies it topically or takes an oral supplement, oregano oil may be helpful for a range of conditions. Compounds in the oil have effective antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, which explain many of the benefits. There are some risks and potential issues to consider before using oregano oil, and it may not be right for everyone. This article covers 10 of the most promising health benefits of oregano oil. What is oregano oil? Oregano, or Origanum vulgare, is a small, bushy plant that belongs to the mint family. It is a familiar culinary herb in Italian dishes. Oregano oil contains high levels of important compounds in its leaves and smaller stems. Oil manufacturers dry the leaves and stems, then steam distill the plant matter to extract as many compounds as possible. Oregano oil contains carvacrol, the main active compound in oregano oil, and a type of antioxidant called a phenylthymol, which may help protect against toxins and fight fungal infections. While oregano oil contains a significant amount, the compound thymol occurs most abundantly in thyme. Oregano oil may have the following health benefits. Number 1. Fighting bacteria. Thanks to the high levels of carvacrol, oregano oil may help fight certain types of bacteria. For instance, Staphylococcus is a common type of bacteria that causes staph infection. Some strains occur naturally in the body, but when the bacteria grow too quickly, it can cause bothersome symptoms. Research shows that carvacrol is effective in eliminating the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus and Staphylococcus epidermis, two common causes of infection. Taking oregano oil supplements or rubbing it on the skin may help a person make use of these antibacterial effects. Researchers are also exploring the use of oregano oil for antibiotic-resistant bacteria. The authors of a study in Frontiers in Microbiology found that a combination of oregano oil and silver nanoparticles effectively eliminated all the bacteria they tested. Number 2. Treating small intestine bacterial overgrowth, SIBO. Oregano oil may help treat chronic bacterial issues such as SIBO. People with SIBO experience gastrointestinal problems due to an overgrowth of certain bacteria in their intestines. A 2014 study found that herbal remedies, including one that contained high levels of both carvacrol and thymol, were effective tools in treating SIBO. Exploring the individual effects of each compound will require more research, but these initial findings may be promising. Number 3. Treating fungal infections. Oregano oil also appears to be a potent antifungal agent thanks to high levels of thymol. Research from 2015 found thymol to be an effective treatment for common candida fungal infections. Candida causes several types of infections, including oral thrush, yeast infections, infected toenails or fingernails, athlete's foot. The research was conducted in test tubes, however, and determining oregano oil's effectiveness will require more studies in humans. Number 4. Providing antioxidants. Oregano oil is also a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by oxidative stress and free radicals. Oxidative stress may lead to increased DNA damage and cell death. Oxidation may also play a role in other issues such as arthritis, atherosclerosis, and some cancers. Thymol and carvacrol are powerful antioxidants that may help reduce oxidation. The researchers suggested that further studies explore safe doses for regular use. Number 5. Reducing inflammation. Oregano may have anti-inflammatory properties. Some sources claim that oregano oil may help reduce inflammation. The compound carvacrol shows anti-inflammatory effects in both animal models and in vitro studies. Research from 2017 looked at a variety of investigations into carvacrol's anti-inflammatory effects. In one study on mice, the compound prevented obesity by affecting the genes involved in inflammation. In another animal study, the compound reduced swelling. While the results show promise, the researchers have called for more tests on humans to determine a safe dosage. Number 6. Healing wounds. Applying diluted oregano oil to the skin may help protect smaller cuts and scrapes on the skin as they heal. Compounds such as thymol and carvacrol could protect these types of wound from bacterial infections. Number 7. Repelling insects. Both carvacrol and thymol may be effective insect repellents. In 2017, researchers found that these compounds repelled some ticks and mosquitoes. The research included test tube studies and those with human participants. More research will help confirm this potential benefit, but rubbing diluted oregano oil on the skin may be a natural way to help repel insects. Number 8. Relieving pain. There is some evidence that oregano oil may be an effective pain reliever. An animal study found that an extract of oregano provided pain relief. These results were dose-dependent. The more the animals took, the more pain relief they felt. Importantly, the researchers used a water-based extract, so the oil may not provide the same results. More research in humans could help determine an appropriate dose. Number 9. Aiding weight loss. Oregano oil may also be a helpful tool for people looking to lose weight. Researchers have found that carvacrol, the main compound in oregano oil, disrupts part of the process that leads to the creation and accumulation of fat tissue. More direct research may help provide additional evidence for these claims. Number 10. Fighting cancer. Some sources claim that oregano oil may help fight some cancers. One review notes that the essential oil from oregano helps prevent some types of colon cancer and breast cancer from growing in test tubes. The oil also appeared to inhibit the growth of some lung cancer and prostate cancer cells. Much of the research in cancer comes from test tubes or animal models, so people should view the results with caution and never use oils as a replacement for medical treatment. How to use. Oregano oil comes in capsules and as a liquid. It is available for purchase in most health food stores and online. The strength of each oil may vary, so it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions or work with a qualified healthcare practitioner to determine the safest dose. People who do not enjoy the taste of oregano should choose the capsules, which they can swallow without tasting the oil. To use oregano oil topically for skin issues, dilute 1 or 2 drops in a carrier oil. A person can then apply this mixture directly to the skin. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.